Hi, my name is Rachel Ewens, and I'm a freelance fashion writer and the owner of AustinStyleWatch.com street fashion site. And today we're going to talk about how to get the drawstring back into your drawstring pants if it's come out. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is take your string that's fallen out and make sure that at least at one end the knot is undone, which chances are if your drawstring's fallen out of the pants, that's the problem anyway. So the only supply you're going to need for this is a safety pin. It's usually good to use the biggest safety pin you can get, not one of those ridiculously huge ones, but one of the larger sizes if you're thinking like about 2 inches long if you can get it. So what you're going to want to do is just take your pin and stick it through the end of the string. And the way you're going to want to think of this project is sort of like this is your needle and thread, and you're kind of threading it through the drawstring. So you're going to go to your drawstring holes, and you're going to enter the hole with the needle, the safety pin, and you're going to want to start pulling it through that hole. It's going to be a little difficult at first because you'll have the bunched up end, but you'll be able to get it through. And then you're going to just slowly work it through the material. And the best way to do that is to bunch up. That's my safety pin there. Bunch it up and then pull through the end. Bunch it up, pull through the end. And eventually you'll have strung it all the way back through. And when you get to that other end and you pull it through, you're going to want to tie another knot in the end of that string to prevent it from pulling through, just like you can see the knot on this end now. So this has been how to rethread the drawstring back in your drawstring pants when it's fallen out.